Well, folks, this is Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Air Remodelers Club. We're going to take up the E-flite Maule M-7. Yeah, I'll tell you what, it's a good little plane right here. If you're wondering where my camera crew is, she had to work tonight. And I get to go flying, she got to go to work. Don't seem fair, does it? But there's many nights where she's at the house and I have to go to work, so. Well, we all do our parts. Right, left, up, down, right, left.
Low rate.
I'm in high rates, which are, for me, 100% throws over 30% expo. All right. Don't nearly need takeoff flaps.
Landing flaps.
Just got flaps in so I can fly kind of fly around kind of slow. All right, let me get out here in the middle of my runway, that is. I see if my wife was filming, she could zoom in on that right there.
Flaps up. Landing flaps. Time remaining 4 minutes.
She is a bush plane after all. Land her in the grass. All right.
Flaps up.
Just so you're aware, I'm nuts. Very, very stable plane.
Landing flaps.
Nice stable platform. Oh, that was lousy.
Flaps up.
Try that again. Just run her an AS3X right now. I don't even think I have SAFE enabled, to be honest with you.
Landing flaps.
That bird's like, of
Flaps
course,
up.
I was landing with the wind. When you land with the wind, you have a whole lot less control. So let's try that again, but let's land proper. All right, rambunctious. I will tell you one thing.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
If you really like the E-flite timber, okay, but you want a scale plane, okay, you like that turbo timber evolution or the timber X, you know, but you want something at scale, tell you what, this right here
Landing flaps.
is the way to go. This is the way to go right here. Yep.
Flaps up.
It handles like the timber, flies as well as the timber, but it's a scale airplane. Plenty sporty. Don't need any takeoff flaps to get up off the deck. And she's got lights, nav lights and takeoff and landing lights, nav lights. She's got everything, got flaps. And with them big old tires, she can handle grass ops, no problem. Of Of course, typical tail dragger. If you're going too fast, she'll get squirrely on you. Uh-oh. Hit a big bump there. A little bit of yard maintenance with an airplane. Okay. Take off in the grass here.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh, where do you look at that? Look at that. Great flying plane. Great flying plane. She'll slow right down for you. And just so you know, I'm running a 3200 4S in her. And she pretty much takes up the entire battery bay. That battery does. Yeah, good looking bird, good flying bird, very stable platform.
Time remaining 1 minute. Landing flaps.
Yep. Good flying plane. All right. All right, now come on.
Flaps up.
After all those great landings and takeoffs, I gotta go and do that. Well, you know what that means. You know I can't end it like that. Yeah, you know I can't end it like that. There we go. Well, folks,
Motor off.
that's the E-flite Maule M7. Some people call him Maule M7. She doesn't have, I don't think, if I remember right, she doesn't have the smart receiver. So I don't know if I have, yeah, I don't have the telemetry in the battery. So we'll have to check it the old-fashioned way. Flew her for a full 4.5 minutes. All right, and see, like the 3200 4S basically takes, you got to put it, shove it down in there, takes up the entire battery bay. So there's nothing you can do about that. All right, but 3200 gives you plenty of flight time. Probably could have flown a whole lot longer. I'll tell you in just a second. 40%. Could have flown for another 30 seconds. So a good 5.5 minutes would have been fine. Great flying plane, very stable. A great alternative if you're looking for something that is, you know, flies like the timber, performs like the timber, but is scale. Well, then this is it. That's the Maule M7 by E-flite. She comes with floats, and the floats have a water rudder on them, an actual rudder in the water. You don't have to do the weird wire things. So are the strings, the push-pull system like's on the E-flite, or the timber. But yeah, that comes with the floats and flaps, and right now they've got them all out through FMS, because FMS actually makes most all these planes. And there's blue, same plane, just a different color. Well, folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and them planes. And I'm sorry my wife couldn't be here to film it, but she had to work. Bye-bye.